Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, February 5th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. But we had another crappy day today. You know, I just about to the point where I said, okay, we're just going to have to live through this, but it's hard. It's just kind of like death by small cuts, or actually not such small cuts. We did close out negative over $10,000 today in our closed out trades, and it was only two trades. Trades in Neuroscene Biosciences and in China Distance Education. Those have been we've had some absolutely terrific trades in both those markets, but they just really have some hard downside volatility today, and we got caught on the wrong side. You know, $10,000 in losses on those two markets alone. That's really rough. We are carrying positive almost $2,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So let's hope that at least tomorrow we won't have another one of these big negative days. Dow was, basically really quiet and sideways today. Ended up closing down 5 points, and we just got to see what's going to happen. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, here we got the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and there's not too much to show here. We've had this huge down move, and the last 2 days the market's been pretty sideways and flattening out. I don't know what to predict here. I probably shouldn't predict. This could result in the market moving out of this flattening to the upside, but I have warned you yesterday, and I will warn you again, that I think this market has one more very powerful move to the downside left. So I'm preparing for that, and unfortunately I think that's going to have to happen before this thing really turns around and starts moving up again. Anyway, I'll show you a few of our trades today. I'll show you the absolutely worst trade that we had today. Well, let's see here. Can I read my own handwriting? No, I can't. Here we go. This is in Neuroscene Biosciences. We just got clobbered in this, and I just want to tell you that using multi-charts, this market gave us a $48,000 winning trade back on January 7th, I believe. So it has potential of being a very good market, but we just got slammed in it. Today we bought this thing pretty much at the high tick of the day yesterday, and then it just crashed this morning. We were out of that almost immediately, and that was slightly over $5,000 loss right there. That's terrible. I mean, you can't make money trading like that. I will show you one good trade we had. This was in BlackBerry, which has been a very good market for us recently. We had bought this thing yesterday. It had actually gone against us, and this morning BlackBerry closed down, but immediately started to recover, and it came up here, and we got out there nearly at the very top of the market, which I always like to see. And that trade was worth almost $2,000. That was really the bright shining star of the day. But when we got two trades that are killing us for the tune of $10,000, a trade like this one in BlackBerry just isn't going to be enough to take care of us. I'll show you one more that we're holding. This is in Radian Group, and we bought this today. Okay, we bought this today. A little gap there. It went against us. Didn't look like too much, but then it came back pretty nicely. Anyway, we're holding a little, about $1,200 in Radian Group. So that looks pretty good. As I say, we're actually holding close to $2,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow is going to end this horrible losing streak. We'll just have to see. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.